Hey guys, I'm Mike Caffro, and today we're going to be showing you the Rhino USA wheel chock tie-down kit. This is by far the easiest, most reliable way to secure your UTV on your trailer. This kit utilizes the best strap on the planet, the heavy-duty 2-inch tie-down strap by Rhino USA. This system allows your suspension to move freely, virtually eliminating normal tie-down straps from coming loose. This kit comes with everything you need to secure the 2 front tires of your vehicle on your trailer. This system includes 4 heavy-duty steel wheel chock wedges with built-in E-track, all the mounting hardware, and 2 2-inch heavy-duty tie-down straps. It also has 2 Velcro straps to secure any of the excess tie-down you have. Installing this kit is super easy. You're going to be mounting 2 wheel chock wedges to your trailer, basically cradling your front tire, allowing the E-track strap to go around the tire and securing it properly. So once you have your front chock installed, what we're going to do is pull the vehicle up onto the trailer, right up butt against the front chock, place the rear chock behind the front wheel, and mark where that chock is so you can mount that back chock. Mounting the wheel chock wedges will vary depending on what kind of trailer you have, but the hardware included will work with most applications. One of the reasons that I really like this kit is because it eliminates any doubt on where and how to mount your vehicle on your trailer. Another cool thing about this kit is it utilizes the E-track fastener system. It's super simple and easy to use and super secure. The straps included in this kit are Rhino USA's heavy-duty 2-inch straps with E-tracking mounts, one of the best systems on the planet. Each chock has 6 mounting points, ensuring a rock-solid connection to your trailer. The Rhino USA wheel chock tie-down kit has a guaranteed brake strength of nearly 2,000 pounds and comes with everything you need to mount it to a wood or metal trailer. This kit is specifically for holding down UTVs. It is not rated for cars and trucks. Heavier vehicles should be tied down with Rhino USA's 2-inch vehicle tie-down kit. This kit and all Rhino USA products are designed and engineered right here in the US and come with a lifetime warranty. Go to rhinousainc.com or ask for this and other Rhino USA products at your local off-road shop. Rhino USA, superior power sports accessories.